Well, there's no real sign here, but that right there where it comes down and over the bridge is Hubble Canyon, which is T9277, as you can see from the sign right here. And then T9278 goes this way and this way. And this is Upper Wills Canyon and Wills Canyon. And Wills Canyon connects with Willie White, Lower Willie White, which is T113. That one isn't too bad, but Willie White's the hardest one here. And so there we go. There's my bike. I'm going to go on it, and we're going to ride up Hubble, and then I will be done for the day. My friend Jeff Birch popped my rear tire or tube on my Beta 500, my 2017 Beta 500 up here, and I rode it all the way up this thing, probably 80% of it in the meadows mostly, but I had to ride it on the rocks on certain places. I'll point them out where you had to ride a completely flat rear tire. It works remarkably well. The traction is really good. You just gotta kind of duck walk yourself up and don't fall over. All right, here we go. Hubble Canyon. This one gets pretty rocky, but it's still flat. They're all flat. What the heck? Look how nice and green it is out there. Wow. That looks really nice. Swamp, baby. In the arid mountains, there it is. Won't go on for long. Squirrel. Whoa! I caught that by rear tire. Well, I can't see it in the camera, but it swung my back end about 35 degrees. But gyroscopic stability, baby, it pulled it right back in. Here we are. I think pretty close to here was where Jeff noted that my tire was flat. So, see, the road pretty much parallels this little valley, so it's actually pretty nice riding out in the grass. There's whoop, pay attention. I think the upper part here is better. Then you just gotta watch out for things sticking out from the side. So I got to ride down there, whereas, you know, you're supposed to come here. If we ran down there, it would ruin the other loose rock threw me sideways. So as you can see, I could stay on the grass that whole time, bypass this whole thing. All these fun rides. Whoa! Any rockier? Maybe over here's better. I don't know. Yeah, this one, Hubble is rockier than I'm sorry, Hubble, not as rocky. I'm sorry, this is Upper Wills, not Hubble, I'm sorry. So Upper Wills is rockier in general, but this is a nice part like right here to get into fourth gear. It's pretty nice up here, but there's a lot of rocks. But, you know, it's like the way it works. Get to the fourth gear, that's fun. Mr. Rock. where you had to go back to the road because you got trees on it. And I think we get back up the hill here. I had to crawl off this thing. Off the wheel, up those rocks, baby. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Walked him up over those things. Woo, rocks. Woo, that's the fun part. I'm telling you. Okay. I think we're getting up towards the top now. Yep, there's a camper. So we're almost out. So I could take the easy way and go up that, but that's what I did when I had that flat, but we'll go up this. See what's left. And I think it's all pretty rocky. Right here. Now we're out. Okay. As you can see, Upper Wills Canyon Trailhead, 9278. All right.